Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you the morphological reconstruction in MATLAB. Okay, so as I have told you, the inbuilt function is present in MATLAB image processing toolbox, and that is IM reconstruct. Okay, that I will show you, but before that let me just discuss the whole code. CLC clear all close all warning off as we generally write, then x equal to complement of IM binarize RGB to gray IM read spot.jpg, and I am converting this particular image what I have read here. First, after reading, I have converted to from RGB to gray, and then I have thresholded that using global thresholding, and I have just complemented. So as a result, I'll be getting one logical image. Now, in case of morphological reconstruction, remember this: in case of reconstruction, you need to provide marker and mask. Okay, by default it will take the structuring element as 3x3 square matrix as I have discussed in theory. Okay, so both should be of same data type. If you are taking marker as double, your mask should be also double. If you are taking marker as logical, your mask should be also logical. Okay, so here I have converted my original mask, that is constant of our morphological reconstruction, converted to double data type. Okay, and I am showing that using IM. So let me just show you that image. So this is one image where some white objects are present in the black background. Right now, what I will do, I will pick up one single point from this particular white object and I will reconstruct the complete white object. Okay, using morphological reconstruction. So I will take the input, that particular pixel, using mouse pointer. Okay, so what I have done, first I have calculated the size of that image, and then output equal to zeros a comma b. I am creating one output matrix of 0. Okay, then while true, that is this loop will go infinite times. Okay, and then this is the main part. I am show x. Okay, I am showing my original image which I have taken here, and then gs equal to zeros a comma b. This another matrix I am taking of gs variable. M comma n equal to g input 1. I am taking one click of mouse pointer and that coordinate is stored in m comma n. I am converting that to integer using round function. Okay, and then at that particular clicked part I will be making 1 pixel value 1 in our gs. Okay, so gs is 0, completely 0, but at that part where it is clicked, that part only it is having value 1. Okay, pixel value 1. And how I am taking the coordinate n comma m, because I have told you first you have to give column then row in case of matrix dimension. Generally we take row comma column, but in case of matrix we need to take column comma row. Right, I have already discussed this previously. Then using that particular image I am reconstructing using IM reconstruct. First give the marker, that is the image gs, and then x, that is our original image, and then I am reconstructing that, and our output is equal to that reconstructed format, and I am showing that. Okay, so let me show you this image also. So I will be writing IM show gs. Okay, and this will be in new figure. Okay, and then new figure, and let me give here also one pause. Okay, so now let me just run the whole code. Okay, control A and evaluate selection. Here we are getting one figure window where our original image is present, and see the cursor is ready to take user input. I am clicking, carefully notice, I am clicking on this particular binary object, any random position. Okay, just one time click. See, here we will be getting one second figure window, completely dark part, but only that particular part is white where we have clicked. If I just make it bigger, you can see only one pixel is white, rest whole part is black. Okay, now this is what, this is our marker. Okay, and this is our mask. Now we need to reconstruct, that is we need to find out the whole binary object present in our this binary image, for which this particular pixel is subset. Okay, as soon as I hit any key from the keyboard, just I have clicked, see I am getting that particular, in another figure window I am getting that particular object from where this particular marker is belonging. Okay, so this is nothing but reconstruction. Then again I am clicking the space bar. Okay, now it is ready to take second okay, second input. So I will maybe click here. Okay, so if I click here, see this particular part, see, let me just make it bigger. Here we are getting 1 pixel as white, rest part is black. Now this we can use for reconstruction, and this will be treated as marker. This is our mask. Again, if we click, see, we'll be getting that part. Okay, all right. So let me just forcefully stop my code using Control C, and let me just clear all this. Okay, and from the next time onwards, what I want to do, I don't want to see, show this marker part directly. I will show, and along with that, not only output equal to output plus the reconstructed. Okay, so each time output will take shape of our original image only. Okay, now Control A. Okay, let me remove this pause also. Control A, evaluate selection. Okay, so see, first case, I am taking this particular binary object, I am just clicking on this. Okay, see, in our output only this particular object is selected. Now hit enter. Okay, another time it is opened. Now suppose I am clicking this one. Now as I have taken output equal to output plus, yes, what will happen, this particular object along with previously selected this one will be shown. Okay, I am clicking here, see, these two objects is shown. How beautiful. Now again clicking, suppose I want to take this one, and see, it is showing. Okay, then again clicking, suppose I want to take maybe this one. Okay, this is showing. Like that you can make user interactive code. Okay, and this is how you can use IM reconstruct in MATLAB. Same code will be posted in the description box. If you want, you can check there. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.